We have given vertices of triangle KLM. We have to sketch this triangle and we have to transform every point of our triangle. And we see that we have to subtract from first coordinate 2 and we have to add 3 to the second coordinate. So it means we have to go left 2 units and up 3 units. This is transformation about vector -2, 3. So let's draw xy plane. Unit 1, and we have points. K point has 2, 2, so approximately here this is our K. Point L is -1, 2, this is our L. M is -3, 0. So we have our triangle K, L, M. And now we have to find vertices of our triangle after transformation. We have, like I said, we have to move every point by vector -2, 3. This is, in another word, translation about vector -2, 3. So we have first point K is 2, 2, x is 2, y is 2. So we see that we have to subtract from 2, 2, and to 2 we have to add 3. I just substitute x by 2 and y by 2 because this was given. So we have 0, 5. L has coordinates -1, 2. So now will be -1. This is our x, this is our y. So will be -1 minus 2, and we have 2 plus 3. So we have -3 and 5. And M has coordinates -3, 0. So now we will have -3. This is our x, this is our y. -3 minus 2, and we have 0 plus 3. We just use this notation. I just substitute x and y by given coordinates. So we have -5, 3. So next, let's find these points in our xy plane. First point is 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is point K prime. Next we have point -3, 5, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So approximately here, this is our L prime. And point M is going now to -5, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 up. 1, 2, 3. So this is approximately here. This is our M prime, let's put. So we got triangle, and these two triangles are congruent triangles, because after translation about vector we got always congruent figure, and we see that we move every point of our triangle 2 units to the left, because we have -2 here, and 3 units up. We go up 2 units. This is my solution.